Thank you, Dr. Rauram, and thank you, Dagar and all the assembly here, and Reverend Dr. Paul Rogan and dear Anisha and the lecturers. So I have been singing this song in many places. Anandamaya Narivai Niranda Amudamaya Anandamana Vadivya Marananginikam Tanandamana Sarnaravindam Avadandra Kanandam Adaranga Nambaran Vidikani. This song belongs to anybody. So everyone wants to be happy. Irrespective of even my dog in my home want to be happy. Even beggar want to be happy. A woman want to be happy, child want to be happy, a priest want to be happy, everyone want to be happy. So that's saying the only way to be happy is knowledge. The knowledge gives you the haram and halal. The Muslim says what to do and what to not to do. So if you do the right thing and you become happy. So you survive in the world, you need food and you need Jivanobhaya. For Jivanobhaya, you should be qualified, you should be resourceful. So one of the mission of the University of Jaffna is to produce graduate and diplomats of competency relevant to the society, relevant to the region, relevant to the nation, relevant to the globalized world to produce. So we have already been producing the public fund. We have been producing graduates with the 12 faculties. I have now around 13,000 graduates, postgraduate, external degree graduates. It's not enough because we want everybody to be qualified in this world. Because everyone needs to be happy. Everyone needs to work. Everyone needs to find. Everyone created in this world for some purpose. I have this bottle, this glass, it has some purpose. It's made for some purpose to contain this liquid. So people use this. So people will use you as long as you should be able to deliver something to the people. The fisherman is important because he knows how to catch fish. The milkman is important because he knows how to graze the cow and deliver the milk. So everyone needs to have some skill, some purpose. My grandfathers, they are very good at cultivating tobacco. So they produced tobaccos and sent to all over the country. And that is called in Vadamarachi, it's a black gold. Black gold is so expensive. They are very rich. So now our people are becoming modern slave in Holland and France, and they are doing more this cleaning work. I don't know. They find a way of becoming rich by doing this migrating. So in this purpose, the university, we are committed to give our resource to other people. And also this institution, it has a senate. When you read this document, it went to the faculty board, it went to the subcommittee, media department, then went to the faculty board, went to the senate, went to the curriculum committee. When I myself, 2019, I worked with Dr. Rahman to shape up the training process. Because in the higher diploma, there is some educational process going to take place. You know, who is going to do it? I'm not going to do it. But the process is determined by us. Actually, I myself work with him, how this process should go. It's not arbitrarily goes. So we streamline. So even at the beginning, it was a diploma like, then we changed it to higher diploma. So higher diploma means, so you are a diplomat. So you know diplomat means, Rajadandri and Solwang. Diplomat is not, it's about politics. Even Bhagavad Gita, a chapter called Raja Vidya. A chapter called Raja Vidya. It's a confidential knowledge, by knowing which you don't need to know anything in this numinous world or phenomenal world. Krishna says, by knowing which, Arjuna, by knowing which you don't need to know anything else in this numinous or phenomenal world. Have you seen any conversation like this? என்னத்தை அறிஞ்சால் நீ உலகத்திலே இந்த உலகத்திலேயோ மர உலகத்திலேயோ ஒன்றும் அறிய தேவையில்லடா அந்த விஷயத்தை நான் சொல்ல போறேன்டா. So that is the exchange. So here we have in a university with the public money, we recruited people like Dr. Rao Ram. He was the chief editor of Daily in this country in a very difficult time. Then he went to India. He become committed himself to cultivating knowledge. So again knowledge, cultivating knowledge in a university in Tamil Nadu. What's the university, Kamaraj? Gandhigram University. So then he returned his country. Then he took up this mantle to put up a media. But media exists in this country for a long time. It's not by Rao Ram or MRT or Denmark or anything. So media exists in the country a long time. That's not a problem, even quality media. Our former Udanadu was well famous. Right? Udayadharaga was very good. Right? They are one of the top media people are here. So what is media? So we are human beings. There are so many beings in this universe. We are the only one can communicate. We are the only one commit suicide. There is no other living entity commit suicide. I don't see any snake commit suicide. I don't see any frog commit suicide. I don't see any cat commit suicide. I don't see any lion get suicide. Even last week, I got my student committed suicide. So why? There's social pressure. It's a media pressure. What is social pressure? Is anybody killing you? Anybody shooting you? No, the communication. Social stigma, how it comes? Communication. So that's what the journalism, it's a big thing to strengthen your communication. Without media, nothing. Why the virus got us, the human beings? Because a medium is needed to live. Even in microbiology, we say medium. Medium means where the bacteria thrive. It's called media. Media is not the word for journalists, this printing and this visual and communication skill. So we need a media. So this media is today developed into very high level because because the communication technology come from the contribution of the scientists. So 3 people contributed well, 3 disciplines: science, engineering, technology. Right? The Japan and Taiwan, Chinese may not be good at engineering or science, but they are good at delivering the technology. But there are a lot of scientists, they work hard. Today, what you do in the digitized world, in these videos and audios and all this time, long time ago, even today, in medical faculty, I opened up an IT lab. I said, it's founded by the James Clerk Maxwell. There's a Maxwell cassettes earlier. James Clerk Maxwell actually integrated the electricity and magnetism and unified and put up a theory. Then he said the communication could be done. Right? So that's the way it goes. So much of sacrifice and dedication done. Those people are called yogis and rishis. Because the whole life was committed for development of this tool. Now we are the people going to use it. So ladies and gentlemen, the opening ceremony, what I am saying is, so as a contribution to the society, he said, contribution to human beings. So it's a shrine of knowledge of this region, University of Jaffna. That's how you look at it. It's not Nallur and Periya Koil and Periya Pallivasa. There's nothing happening. They only pray and worship. Maybe a satsang is there, some exchange of knowledge is there. The universe is a place where even the Christian civilization is there, Hindu civilization is there, Islamic civilization is there, media studies there, mathematics there, chemistry is there, physics is there. It's a place, or GIS, say, our dean is expert in GIS, remote sensing technologies. So it's a place where we have individuals, economics, Udyog Kumar is here. So it's a place, it's a shrine of knowledge. We have devas, we have angels, we have brahmas, we have gurus. So what we do, so now because we have these people, the gurus, the media people are here, the resourceful people are there. So we want to make other people also resourceful. Maybe they are engaged in these things already. Already media irukkalam, but you should know how. எப்படி அங்கால கொண்டு போற வேண்டும். Even million mile journey. There's a probes are now flying in the universe to reach another planet. They might be traveling for years. They haven't reached it. So million mile journey also begin with the one step. So our dean said is our department is only 2 years old. Even I was a 2 years old baby one day. Now I am 61 years old. So day by day I gather. So today is important because another milestone in our history, because we are trying to give this knowledge process to other people who are interested. There is no free meal in this world. If you give free meal, people throw it. There's no free meal. So you have to endeavor it. It's a very reasonable thing because we designed the course just to run this as a self-finance course. That's the word we use, self-finance. Because whoever come and get this should be able to bear the course. I can't get this money from the government. So, but at the same time, we want to use the university's facilities to run this course. Lecture room, electricity, computer labs, and so many other things are there. So we are not going to charge for those things. We are not going to, as a vice chancellor and administration, we are not going to charge the arts faculty or the media department to pay us anything for this peripheral thing. So very minimal thing. So we are going to run the course. You understand your commitment should be there. And we want to make sure, our Senate want to make sure, without attaining proper standard, you won't be awarded the higher diploma. So you have to endure very hard. That's what I am saying. I am very much interested in maintaining the quality, not compromising any shortcoming on that process. So we want to make sure that this process goes well. When I want to clap, this only possible when the two hand meets. Otherwise, no clapping. No clapping. There's no word now teaching. The word teaching is removed. There's only word teaching and learning. If teaching happens, learning should happen. If the learning to happen, then the teaching should happen. So there are two partners. Today you are meeting in the Zoom. You and our resource person going to meet. And here the beautiful thing as the in charge of this program, the education in charge of the program, Dr. Rauram said, so we are going to engage most of the top resourceful people of this country as well as abroad to give you the enlightenment. So knowledge process starting from hearing, from this one. That's where knowledge process start. Then the knowledge process start with the knowing. Even today we are going to start releasing a magazine. So we are human beings, very good. Ancient saints, not only they are great seers, saw the truth, but they communicated. They communicated with disciples. Whatever the possible way, they wrote it also. We haven't wrote it. I have 61 years, I have published some papers, but not very comprehensive written and not done by me. But ancient old people, they wrote a lot of things. They wrote about medicine, they wrote about culture, they wrote about the Sangakala Ilakyangal, dramas, Puranas. Even Puranas, you don't have time to the whole lifetime to read it. Mahabharata itself is the longest poem ever written in this world, so far. The longest poem ever written. So it's a communication tool, poem. So ladies and gentlemen, so I don't want to go. It's a technology play a big role in the media today. So it's a well-blended course. It gives you the ethics, it gives you the knowledge, it gives you the technology, it gives you the first-hand experience for you to even get yourself recognized. So you may say somebody is working for Veerageshari for 20 years. It doesn't mean anything. They may ask, what did you do? Then you say, I did as a sub-editor, I did that, I did this. Then they speak for hours to know what you know. But when you say, I have done the higher diploma in media studies, it means something for them. Then you show them the website and you see what are the curriculum. So the curriculum itself says what is your inside, what is your liver is, what is your heart, lungs is, what is your organs are, and how do you made up. So a big MR scan will reveal what is inside your body. What is inside your body? What is the whole process you went through? So that are the modern way of knowing the people. So the qualification matters. This qualification going to give you a lot of, bring you the opportunities to grow. We say life bring opportunities. Today, I am very happy. The University of Jaffna, put it this way, the shrine of knowledge of this region. University of Oxford is a shrine of knowledge of Oxfordshire. Cambridge, shrine of knowledge of Cambridgeshire. University Imperial College is a University of London. It's a shrine of knowledge of London. Put it that way. You have to worship this place. It's not you are coming for survival. Like a dogs and donkey also survive in the Nallur area and temple areas. You know, that's licking the food and go. But you should come and work like students as well as you are coming from outside. Now for this engagement with you, online or whatever, online doesn't matter. Even we have a connection with the God online, not physical. But we can feel it. And a Father. Do you have a face-to-face connection with the God? Father? No. You have some media, no? Medium. Meditation is a medium. Oh, we feel it. So online or offshore is not a problem. We have external degree program. It's not a new thing. So we will give you the material to the Moodle. So LMS will be working now. Yeah. So we will be given the Moodle. We will give you the videos, the YouTube. So that is like more than a face-to-face. Only the personal touch with the teachers also will be made whenever it's possible. So unnecessarily you don't need to come. Even my son is doing A-level. He is wonderfully doing well because the medium is there. You don't need to dress, you don't need to travel, you don't need to carry bags. Simply in a home, you can learn everything. It's like anything else. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to go a big thing. As an inauguration lecture, I tell you the spirit of us delivering it. Because no institution buy their product. So I am proud to say I am one of the recognized mathematician of the country and the product of University of Jaffna. So one day I was proud of my university being a student. Today I had the opportunity to make our university proud of me. It's the other way around. One day this happened. When the Professor Turraya was a student of Udupudi American Mission College, he was proud of being a student of Udupudi American Mission College. Now we all celebrate. The Udupudi American Mission College is very proud because of Turraya, of being a student. So this like today I am really happy because these people coming from various experience, you sometimes feel very much excited when you come here. I also feel these people doing the lectures don't put up too many slides and throw notes and bloody boring. Then they will get upset. Because I know the university, when they entering people, when they entering the university, they come with a lot of hope. They come for intellectual, quenching a thirst of the intellectual innate desires. They come here to quench your intellectual thirst. But here the boring lecturers, they give you old notes, 25 years old notes, and ask them to memorize. It's a bloody boring. So I really ask all these young people, don't worry about too much notes because they are external people, they know. Make them good at what they do. So go for some more practical oriented and ask them to work more and you also deliver. Make this engagement as excitement. I am always feel very happy when I move with my girlfriend. She make me excited. You know, when I was young, because we go and sit and talk something very nice. Similarly, when you meet my teachers, I even get more excited because he give me the intellectual assignment, right? So the Malladin and I had my professors, Dharmaratnam and all these people, Gunaratnam, every hour we met, made me so wonderful. So knowledge process beginning with the hearing from the authority. So university, we have authorities, the lecturers. So hearing from authorities, then knowing from the books. So we call it in ancient times, Satsanga. Uddhan Jaranam Gajjami, Sangan Jaranam Gajjami. What are you Buddhists? Sangan Jaranam Gajjami, Tamil Changa. Sangam Valathan, Tamil Valathan, knowledge Valathan. In the game of configuration. So Satsanga, hearing from the masters, hearing from the gurus, and then knowing from the books. So we have a wonderful library. We'll give you a library card also. The big collection, you don't get it anywhere else in this country, in this part of the world. So you give a Sastra, we call it Satsanga, other one is Sastra. Sastra is the books written by the authorities, not by rubbish. I know some people are writing books just to get professor post, 3 books, and send one for research allowance. You open it, there's nothing there. Some like a log table, they write. Okay, the hearing from the authorities and the Shastra, that is knowing from the books. And the third one, hearing, knowing, realizing. Make it that knowledge as yours. I am one of the well-recognized mathematicians. I don't have anything outside. I don't need to repair anything. It's all in my inside. You ask me, even A-level paper I had said, I'll set it. I don't have big libraries. Use my home. There's no books. Nothing. If I need, I look for something. I don't need it because all are mine. It's inside of me. I don't know how it going inside. Basubranam, I sent my son to Hindu primary. 96 lines are there. But no time they memorize because that way is composed. Composition is like that. Ancient days, they had a grammar rule, the Tolgapia rule, the part and easy to call it. Anandamai, Narivai, Narenda Amudamai, Vanandamai, Vadivai, and they do Monila and the villain. Ipa Puduka and Noli Rang and the Padamagra. Padamakila, lyrics and the Vladi, sir. So, knowing, realizing. So, realization comes from you, not from the master. Not from the master. So, one day, when you do well, become a very good media man, deliver a lot of things. A media man kill people also. Media people can make people depressed. Media people can bring the country into fighting symmetry. They can do all sorts of things. Even Lady Diana died because of paparazzi, chasing her to get pictures. Right? They can do all sorts of things. Even the same, the teachers also. Qualified people can do against things. In this country, Junior Richard Jayawardena, who started this constitutional change in this country and made everything dictatorship, democracy was under so much of challenges he went through because of his constitutional change. He's a top lawyer, well educated, but when he was in the university, he was primarily a communist. But when he come to power, he changed everything into authority. Authority relation, because you use the knowledge against the people. Similarly, scientists also, they can, they say the knife can be used for surgery or kill. So media also same thing. I had a problem with the media when I assumed my job. One day, Raghuram come from Coimbatore to rescue me. Because these people go to IBC and start talking. So it took me a lot of time to come out of it. Maybe I am resilient, I survived. Otherwise, Chandler would have died. So the media is a very sensitive area. I see in the write-up and everything you are writing, it promote the rule of law, contributing fight against poverty, promoting participation in the democratic society, ensuring transparency, good governance, also good things you are written. You got to tell them. There is a thing, Thambi. It's a very important. So I really want to wish you all well in this endeavor. It's a very nice because today media is a multi-dimensional thing. It's not a humanities department affairs. It's a multi-dimensional, multidisciplinary stuff. Technology, engineering, all kind of things are coming. Aesthetic studies, all things of fine arts, everything, design. Even I had a newsletter. I had to work very hard to get that the front page ready, the lead or rubric. I had to sit with so many people to get that done because you need the expertise of everything, artists, designers. So it's wonderful that you get to know a lot of people. So in this occasion, this Vice Chancellor only come for the first day when you inaugurate something, and the last day when you graduate also I come. When you graduate also, garland you and greet you, I come. This occasion I really happy that this is inaugurated today. I'm thanked for the Dean and the Head Media Studies and the group of staff, young people, for making this commitment, not making any pocketing some money or anything. So you make a lot of sacrifice to make this 28 or 38 people, 28 people become qualified. Qualified means then the mother university, Jaffna, also become qualified. Quality is the matter now. Today's society is a knowledge-based society. Without knowledge, actually, there is no happiness now in the modern world. So that's the most important thing. So thank you very much for the opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. If I had taken much of your time, really excuse me. Anyway,